Okay, I'm going to go through this solving equations question which came up in the Leaving Cert Ordinary paper in 2016. So when you see here that x is an element of real, that just means you're going to end up with a solution for x. If it ends up being a fraction or a decimal, that's fine, because real means it can be a fraction or a decimal. So with these questions, first thing we need to do is expand the brackets. So 3 times x, 3x. 3 times minus 7, minus 21. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times minus 4, minus 20. And then equals 15. Now, before I bring anything across the equal sign, I'm going to bring my like terms together. So I have a 3x and a 5x. Add those together, that will get me 8x. Then I have minus 21 and minus 20. Putting those together will get me minus 41. Now it's a lot easier. So minus 41 goes to the other side. Remember, when a minus goes across equal sign, it goes to plus. 8x is equal to 15 plus 41. 8x is equal to 56. Always divide by the number in front of x. X now is equal to 56 over 8. X is equal to 7. Okay, I'll do another example. Okay, this came up in the Leaving Cert Ordinary paper in 2014. So again, the first step, I'm going to expand my brackets. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times minus 3x is minus 6x. Then I have plus 12. Equals then 7x. Minus 5 times 2x is minus 10x. Minus 5 times minus 7, that would be plus 35. Remember, a minus times a minus gets you plus. Now, I'm going to simplify it before I bring anything across the equal sign. So here I have an 8 and 12, so that will get me 20. So I have 20 minus 6x equals 7x. Sorry. I'll simplify this first. So 7x minus 10x would be minus 3x, then plus 35. Now, I'm going to bring the minus 6x over to the right, because I can see when that goes across here, it'll be positive, and it'll be a lot easier having minus 3x plus 6x, rather than bringing the minus 3 over here, and I'll then end up with a minus. Okay, so I'm going to bring the minus 6x over here to make it easier. Then I'll bring the 35 over here. So 20 minus 35 is equal to minus 3x plus 6x. So now I'll have minus 15 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3, because that's the number in front of x. So minus 15 over 3 is equal to x. So minus 5 is equal to x. If ever a question says then verify, all I have to do is put my minus 5 back into the original. So I'm going to replace the x in the original with minus 5. If this is the correct answer, both sides of the equation should match. So starting again with the original, 2. Replace the x now with minus 5. Now, we can put all of this into the calculator. Just make sure you're putting in all those brackets, so it should look exactly like this in the calculator. So just do the left hand side first. Okay, and that gets me 50. Now I'll do the same with the right hand side. And again, that gets me 50. So both sides of the equation match, so yes, that is verified.